So good morning, everyone. So my topic is all about data management. First, this is the listen coverage. First is the basic statistic concept. Second is the measure of central tendency. Next is measure of dispersion. Next is measure of relative precision. Next is probability and dimensional distribution. And this is my topic, correlation and linear regression. And the last one is chi-square. So my topic is all about correlation and linear regression. So what is correlation and analysis? So this is used to quantify the association between two continuous variables. Estimate a sample correlation coefficient, more especially the person product movement correlation coefficient. The sample correlation coefficient denoted R. Correlation analysis calculates the level of change in one variable due to change in the others. Correlation analysis ranges between -1 and +1 and quantifies the direction and strength of the line association between two variables. The correlation between two variables can be positive or negative. The sign of correlation coefficient indicates the direction of the association. The magnitude of the correlation coefficient indicates the strength of the association. So, a perfect positive linear relationship is 1. No? So, makita sa itong picture niya, naipadong taas na mga period or mga dots, it means that's positive. You know? If kaya siya, if kanang padung siya sa abot, may nakasabot ko nga negative ang meaning niya ang kanang interpretation. So, wala sila yung relation sa kuan. So, ang scenario 1, so makita nato nga positive siya, no? Scenario 1 takes a strong positive association, no? Na ang R niya is 0.9, similar to what we might see for the correlation between infant birth weight and birth length. So, diyan man makita nga sa birth weight and sa birth length. So next is scenario 1, depicts a weaker association, no? 0.2 ER that we might expect to see between age and body mass index, which tend to increase with age. So sa scenario 2, might be depict the lack of association, no? Ang R is approximately 0 between the extent of media exposure in adolescence and age at which adolescents initiate sexual activity.